Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a bank account conversion balance in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set your conversion date and how to confirm the correct opening balance for your bank account so your reconciliations line up from day one. Before we begin, grab your bank statement that covers the date you're moving to Xero. You'll want the closing balances at the end of the day before you start recording transactions in Xero or whatever date your migration plan specifies. Start on your Xero dashboard. At the top of the screen, open the accounting menu, then choose Accounting Settings. This is where you control your organization's core financial settings, including conversion details. In the Settings page, select Conversion Balances. This section tells Xero what your opening figures are when you first switch across. Next, go into Conversion Date. This is crucial. The conversion date is the point in time from which your Xero records take over. If you're asked for a date range, set it to cover the period you're capturing opening balances for, making sure it aligns with your migration plan or financial year start. As a general tip, if you're starting Xero on a specific day, the opening balance usually reflect the position at the end of the previous day. Double check this against your accountant's guidance or your migration checklist to avoid timing mismatches. When you're happy, click Save. You'll return to the conversion balances area to confirm the bank account. Select the bank account you're setting up. Make sure the account name, currency, and status look right. Here, Xero will prompt you to confirm the conversion balance. Use the bank statement balance that matches your conversion date. Enter it as a positive number if the account had funds available, or as a negative number if it was in overdraft. Take a moment to verify the figure and the date. This is the single most common source of reconciliation issues later, so accuracy matters. When everything looks correct, click Save to lock in those details. After saving, it's a good idea to quickly review the balances screen to ensure the account displays the amount you expect. Later, when bank feeds or imported statements arrive, the first statement line should align with your opening balance. If it doesn't, revisit the conversion date or the balance you entered and compare it to the original bank statement. That's it. Your bank account conversion balance is now set in Xero, setting you up for smooth, accurate reconciliations from the start.